Want to know how to mask your password input in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, this is a very simple and interesting way to mask your password or your user input in Java. So it looks complicated, but it's super simple. So right here, we just are using an if-else statement and a read password method. So you can see read password method right here under console.readPassword. So make sure we store the letters in character and not string, since it's needed in order to hash out or mask out the password. So you can just simply set this code right here, copy up this code. So you can just simply run this code, and now you will be given a user input. So you can just simply enter a password, and now here you can see your password length is like this right here, and it has been masked. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.